everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kasey LeAlma and today I have a Tupperware unboxing. So about a month ago, I had a Tupperware party. The products that I ordered finally came this last week, so I am going to film what I purchased, maybe why I purchased it, and tell you a little bit about the party. The Tupperware consultant, she was not local to me. I went to another Tupperware party about 3 months ago for a family member, and at that time Kelly asked if I wanted to have a Tupperware party of my own. So I have my cheat sheet here on what the products are called because I kind of just looked at the pictures and was like, oh yeah, I think I want that. So I'm going to pull the products up for you to see. So let's get started. The first thing I want to say is that my party total was $375 of retail value, which gave me $38 of credit, 2 free gifts, and my final total that I spent was only $32. So this is what I got for $32. The first item that I picked up were these lids, sippy cup lids. I have a 5-year-old and I know he should probably start using real cups, but I'm very hesitant to do that, especially when he takes a drink to his bedroom or we're in the living room. So I did get a set of 4 of these. I had to pay for them individually. I don't have the price of how much these were. I think they totaled out to be $10 altogether. And these were not included with, I could not include them against my free credit. So that was a little bit of a bummer because I had only wanted to spend a certain amount of money, but I really needed these cups for my kid. The next thing I picked up is called a Luncheon container. I got a set of 2. They're this big. They have a big pouch and 2 side pouches. So I got one in this teal color and then one in this yellow color here. I picked this up because I had some lunch containers that I bought from Walmart. They weren't the greatest. They leaked in my husband's lunchbox, and he takes his lunch 6 days a week. He works nights. He can't go out and get anything from a restaurant or fast food restaurant. I think the only place that is open in town at night is like one gas station, and they don't normally have, you know, the food that he should be eating. Plus he only gets 20 minutes for lunch, and so he takes his lunch every night to work. So I did buy these for me and him. We had some old Tupperware lunch containers, and after a while, I mean, they're like 10 years old. So I needed some new ones. We still use the old ones. They've just gotten some microwave. So I did pick these up. I am apparently bad at judging how big they're going to be. I thought they were a little bit bigger than this when I ordered them. So I guess I wasn't really looking at the total size on the website, but just the picture, and they looked bigger than this. So I'm a little disappointed that they're not bigger. My husband's a big man. He takes quite a lot of food, and I'm thinking that he would have to take 2 containers to satisfy him for lunch. But for me, it is definitely a great size for me to take. The next thing I picked up was, again, with the lunch theme. We needed lunch containers. With COVID, I'm not really going to work. I'm working from home now. So it's really not an issue for me, but eventually we will go back to work. I don't know when, but eventually I will go back to work because working from home is insane. But that's a side topic for another time. But I picked up this Crystalwave microwave Luncheon container. So it has a spout for you to open when you're in the when it's in the microwave. So it just clicks like that. This one was one big container, so this will probably be used by my husband more than me. I'm hoping he doesn't dislike the color that much. The only colors that were really available were spring and summer colors, and I think he would have been more in tune with some fall colors or winter colors. We currently have some blues containers that are round, that are like this, that can go in the microwave, so he can get over the color and just take his lunch. So I did pick that up. The next thing that I picked up was this knife sharpener. So it opens like this, and then the blades and stuff are in here. And I picked this up for my husband. He has been really into grilling and smoking for a while now, and he has complained consistently that our knives are not sharp enough for his meat. So I picked this up just for him, so he could sharpen his own knives and not have to buy new ones, because sharpening so much cheaper than buying new sets of knives. So I did pick this up. The next thing I picked up was kind of like, I had not enough credit to buy it, but I didn't want to waste any of my free credit. I picked up this kitchen mixing spoon. So it has a hole in it, just it's mainly used for mixing. It has this green handle that says Tupperware on it. We have a lot of utensils. I don't actually have any Tupperware utensils. This will be my first one, but we do have quite a lot of them. But I just wanted to pick something that wasn't too expensive, that would use the rest of my free credit, so I picked this up. So the next two items that I got were my free items. I got to choose one of those items, and the other one, I guess, comes standard, or she chose, I'm not really sure. But the item I did not get to choose is this bowl. It's called a Little Wonders bowl. It's not very big, but I do really like the color of this bowl, and I think it could serve me for when I go back to work. I could put my breakfast in here, or a quick snack. The next item I got to pick, and so my family is really big about having ice, and we don't have an ice maker, so we make our own ice. We have 3 trays already, and so I picked up these ice trays. So you get 2. They're not very big. They're probably, if you put them together, they're one standard ice tray. They're just split into 2. They don't really look like the picture. When I looked at the picture online, it looked like it had like a spout that you would put under the faucet, and it would fill all of these evenly, and then you just close it. They do not have that. I don't know if I was looking at a different product when she asked me if I wanted this, or what option I wanted. So they just look like that. But I'm really excited for these to have more ice, because we are super, I don't know, forgetful, lazy, or what, but we'll empty an ice tray, and instead of putting it right back in the freezer, we just set it on the counter, and then all of a sudden all 3 of our ice trays have no ice in them. So I will get these filled and get them in there. This might just be the backup. Who knows, we might forget to fill all of them. I don't know. Those are the items that I got from Tupperware this time around. I have always enjoyed Tupperware products. I think they make quality products. I still have all of the Tupperware products I bought at my housewarming party that I had, gosh, 9 years ago? Yes. 9 years ago, I had a housewarming party and I got quite a bit of products. I still use the cereal store. I've got 3 of those that I use. I have some modular mates that I use for my powdered sugar and my brown sugar. I also have round flour containers, sugar containers, whatever you want to put in them. I have those from Tupperware. I have quite a few items from Tupperware, plus those microwavable lunch containers, and they're still kicking. 9 years, nothing is wrong with them. They are still perfect, and they are mostly with red lids because that is my style, white with red lids. So they are perfect in my kitchen, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. It helps to get my video out there for others to see. I'm so glad that you stuck around with me today to watch my Tupperware unboxing. And if you liked this content or would like similar content, I do purse unboxings and other purchases that I buy. So subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you are aware of when I post another video. I thank you guys for coming, and I will talk to you guys soon.